The soil under your feet holds secrets that have been ignored for centuries, yet, for over 5,000 years, ancient Chinese farmers had a deep understanding of what makes soil truly alive. They could coax massive harvests from the earth without chemical fertilizers, simply by working with nature. Modern science has only now begun to catch up, validating techniques that were considered folklore for millennia. These secrets are not just interesting, they can transform the way you garden today. Ancient Chinese farmers understood that soil was more than dirt. They observed how different plants affected the ground and how compost, natural minerals and water interacted to create a thriving ecosystem. Their approach was holistic, balancing nutrients, microbes and moisture to create soil that practically grows plants on its own. Understanding the rhythm of the seasons was crucial. Farmers knew when to add organic matter, when to plant specific crops, and when to rest the soil. Modern research shows this timing affects microbial activity and nutrient availability, confirming what generations of gardeners intuitively practiced. Following these seasonal patterns can dramatically increase your soil's productivity without synthetic inputs. Crop rotation was another cornerstone of ancient Chinese soil wisdom. They alternated legumes, grains, and root vegetables to prevent depletion of specific nutrients and to disrupt pest cycles. Science now proves this reduces disease pressure and enhances nitrogen fixation, keeping your garden naturally fertile. Even small home gardens benefit hugely from a simple rotation plan. They also embraced green manures. Plants like clover or vetch were grown specifically to be turned back into the soil. This practice increased organic content and fed beneficial microbes, creating a living soil structure. Modern soil biology confirms that green manures enrich microbial life, which is key for nutrient availability and plant resilience. Composting was not just a practice, it was an art. The ancients layered plant waste, animal byproducts, and minerals to create a nutrient-rich humus. Science today confirms that compost not only supplies essential nutrients but also improves soil structure, water retention, and microbial diversity. The key is balance equal parts green and brown material, moist but not soggy, and allowed to decompose fully before application. Biochar is another secret rediscovered from ancient times. They would burn crop residues at low temperatures, then mix the charcoal into the soil. Today, studies show biochar enhances soil water retention, provides habitat for microbes, and locks in carbon, making your soil more resilient against drought and nutrient loss. Ancient farmers also used natural mineral powders, often derived from volcanic or sedimentary rock, to restore trace elements missing in the soil. Modern analysis shows that these minerals supply essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are vital for healthy plant growth. A simple formula is to mix 50 grams of powdered rock with 1 liter of water and apply it to each square meter of garden soil once a month. This reintroduces missing minerals and balances soil chemistry naturally. Water management was treated with the same respect as soil itself. Ancient irrigation methods ensured that the soil remained moist but never waterlogged, allowing roots to breathe and microbes to thrive. Science now shows that overwatering disrupts soil structure and microbial balance, confirming the ancients' careful attention to water distribution. They also use companion planting to create living shields for the soil. Certain plants release compounds that repel pests or attract beneficial insects, reducing the need for chemicals. Today, studies verify that plant diversity improves soil health, suppresses disease, and enhances overall crop yields. The concept of mulching was central to their approach. Covering the soil with plant residues prevented moisture loss, moderated temperature extremes, and fed the soil as it decomposed. Modern experiments show mulching drastically reduces erosion, promotes microbial diversity, and improves nutrient cycling. Finally, they revered observation. Farmers spent hours watching plant growth, soil color, and texture changes. Modern soil science supports this. Careful observation can detect deficiencies, microbial activity, and overall soil vitality before problems become critical. Learning to read your soil is one of the most valuable skills a gardener can develop.